Good morning, children. How are you? All good. Okay. So, today is Tuesday and it is the turn of maths. We are going to practice our previous work. Okay, my children. So, today we are going to talk about the things which are big and small. Do you remember big and small? We have done. I have showed you pictures. I have drawn something for you on the board also. And I have showed you the things also, which we will easily found at home also. Okay, bache? So, we are going to practice big and small again. Okay, now I'll show you a clip of previous work. Let's see. Okay, children, look at the phone. Careful. Okay, now see. What is this in my hand? What is this? A watch. Okay, what is this? A watch. Okay, and see. What is this? What is this? Tell me, ये क्या नाम के हैंड में? ये बिग वॉच है. Watch, watch. Okay, two watches are there. दो watches हैं. But दोनों में एक चीज है बस. तो देखिए, ये थोड़ी सी big है and this is a small. This watch is big and this watch is small. Okay, big watch, small watch, big watch, small watch. Big watch, small watch. Okay, now I'll show you something else also. This is your hand. Okay, ये आपका hand है. सब कुछ अपने hand दिखाएंगे ऐसे जल्दी से. Show me. Okay. Now see. We have fingers in the hand. Okay, 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अब आप मुझे बताओ, आपके hand में सबसे big वाली finger कौन सी है? कौन सी big वाली finger? ये this one हाँ, ये सबसे बिग फिंगर है. और सबसे छोटी सी फिंगर कौन सी? स्मॉल फिंगर. ये स्मॉल फिंगर, बिग फिंगर, स्मॉल फिंगर. अब हम क्या करेंगे? ये सब फिंगर्स को हमने ऐसे बंद किया, बिग फिंगर को खड़ा किया और एंड स्मॉल फिंगर. ओके, सी, बिग फिंगर एंड स्मॉल फिंगर. बिग, स्मॉल. ओके, आपके घर में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. जैसे कि आप ब्रश करते हो सुबह उठ के, करते हो. जो आपका ब्रश होता है वो कैसा होता है? थोड़ा सा स्मॉल होता है. और मम्मा पापा का ब्रश कैसा होता है? थोड़ा सा बिग होता है ना. बिग ब्रश, स्मॉल ब्रश. अभी जाके थोड़ी देर बाद चेक करना वॉशरूम में मम्मा ने कहाँ पे रखा हुआ आपका टूथब्रश. फिर आप मम्मा का टूथब्रश निकालना और अपना भी, और कहना मम्मा सी हुज ब्रश इज बिग, माइन और मम्मास. तो आपको पता चलेगा किसका बिग ब्रश है, किसका स्मॉल. ओके, नाउ देयर इज समथिंग एल्स इन माय हैंड. व्हाट इज दिस? अ बैग विद अ जिप. ओके, अ बैग. एंड oh, this is also a bag. This is also a bag. So I have 2 bags in my hand. How many bags? 2 bags. But लेकिन ये जो बैग है स्मॉल है और ये वाला बैग बिग है. बिग बैग, स्मॉल बैग. ये छोटा है ना, ये स्मॉल है. तो छोटू होता है इसको स्मॉल कहते हैं और जो बिग होता है बड़ा वाले को बिग कहते हैं. बिग बैग, स्मॉल बैग. बिग बैग, स्मॉल बैग. Big bag, small bag. Okay? So, do you understand? I'm talking about big bag and small bag. Big watch, small watch. Big toothbrush, small toothbrush. Okay? Do some more pictures also. You want to see? Or should I draw something for you on the board? Tell me. Okay. You want to see the pictures? Okay, I'll show you the pictures. Wait. So children, here we are. आपको कुछ नजर आ रहा है? क्या नजर आ रहा है बताइए? What are you seeing here? An elephant. So cute elephant. Isn't it? कितना प्यारा सा elephant है ना? 4 legs, 1 huge trunk, beautiful eyes, big ears. No? So there is an elephant. And see who is next? Oh, what is this? Ah, you might have seen this rat somewhere near to your house. अपने घर में या आसपास कहीं जरूर देखा होगा. Rat, चूहा, है ना? Now look at this elephant and rat. Now what is the difference between elephant and this rat? The rat is small. See, the rat is very small. छोटा सा rat है. Small, छोटा सा. And the elephant is so big. No, elephant is a huge, big animal. And the rat is very, very small. Okay, now look at this. They both are friends. And they're talking to each other. See, this elephant and this rat. They're talking to each other. They're friends. They're very good friends. Oh, hello elephant. How are you? And कहता है, I am fine. How are you, Mr. Rat? Okay, now see this. This is a very big elephant and this is a small rat. A very small rat. Big elephant and a small rat. Big, small. Big elephant. Say big, small. Big, small. Big elephant, small rat. So, what is next here? Oh, beautiful fishes. Oh my God, they are so beautiful now. See, they are swimming in the water. Where does fishes live? कहाँ रहती है fish? Water में, पानी में रहती है मछली. Okay. So, there are 2 fishes are there. This and this. I think ये वाली जो है ये fish कौन सी है? अब आप मुझे बता सकते हो. Now you can tell me. This is a small fish and this is a big fish. Big fish, small fish. Yes, children, big fish, small fish. Big fish, small fish. Big means birdie. Big, big fish. Small, very small, small fish, छोटी सी fish. Okay, is that clear to you? Okay.
Okay, children. Now we will practice the scribbling. Okay. So, do you remember what is scribbling? You have to hold your color, your chalk, whatever you have, sketch pens in between your 3 fingers, and you have to draw something on the paper. Okay, now let's revise that also.
They are their motor development. Like when they hold the color like this, the grip, they come to know how to hold the things. मैंने देखा कुछ बच्चे ऐसे पकड़ते, ऐसे they are writing like this. No, this is not the right way. Okay, just from the beginning we have to taught them like you have to hold like this. Okay, it is good for them because sooner or later they will not write like this. They have to write like this only. So it is good. In the beginning we'll taught them like you have to hold like this. And I know it is difficult. ये मुश्किल है करना, लेकिन पेरेंट्स हमको उनको बताना तो है, ये सिखाना तो है ना. सो आप उन्हें घर में अपने बच्चों को बताइए कि आपको कलर को कैसे पकड़ना है. और कोई भी हैंड को यूज करना चाहे, राइट और लेफ्ट, लेट देम यूज, बट टेल देम टू ड्रॉ समथिंग ऑन द पेपर. एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव पेपर एट होम, आपके पास पेपर घर में नहीं है, यू कैन गिव न्यूज़पेपर. एंड अगर न्यूज़पेपर भी नहीं है तो आजकल पेपर बैग्स इतने आते हैं, you can give the paper bag which is not is going to be in use. And वो भी नहीं है अगर, तो हमारे पास कैलेंडर जरूर होते हैं पुराने पड़े हुए. You can give the calendars and tell them to do scribbling like this. और जैसे भी वो करना चाहे आप उनको दीजिए. ठीक है, तो बच्चे अपना एग्रेशन अपना जब वो सब निकल के आएगा बाहर, और कई बच्चे बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि सारा एग्रेशन है और फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, नो इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. सम चिल्ड्रन डू इट वेरी नाइसली, they make some shapes, they do it very slowly. Some will do very fast, some will make the shapes also. So let them do their creativity. ठीक है parents, तो बस today you have to do one thing. It is very easy task and children are definitely going to enjoy. So how they are doing, like this is the color in my hand, I have this color also. So right now I don't know how children will do, but I am using my both the hands and see, tell your child to do whatever, like this. Okay, so this is the scribbling. इसे हम स्क्रिबलिंग कहते हैं, और इसे अपना करें. जैसे कई बच्चे गुस्से में हैं तो वो जोर जोर से ऐसे करेंगे, और सब कुछ बच्चे बड़े शांत हैं, अच्छे हैं, कूल है, काम है, वो कुछ ऐसे शेप बनाएंगे, कुछ करेंगे इस तरीके से. तो उनका ऐसे फियर थॉट्स अपने जो भी होंगे वो बाहर आएंगे. ठीक है, और इनकी जो ये ग्रिपिंग है, ये इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि इनसे इनका मोटर डेवलपमेंट होगा एंड दे आर एबल टू राइट इन फ्यूचर वेरी इजीली एंड वेरी नाइसली. तो ये अपने आप को डिस्ट्रेस करने का भी बहुत अच्छा तरीका है. यू कैन गिव देम crayons. If you don't have the markers, you can give the crayons and tell them to do like this with both the hands. Okay, like this. See the way I'm doing. Let them do like this only, and please show me there. I want to see how they are doing, what they have made. Okay children, I really want to see what are their how they distress themselves.
Okay children, this is your home task. Listen children, you have to show me the things you have at home, the big things and the small things. Okay, very nicely you have to show me at least 5 things, and after that do the scribbling. Okay children, make the video and send it to me. Okay, this is your home task. Okay, bye for today.